In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a swim lane in Lucidchart. Whether you're organizing complex projects or mapping out processes, swim lanes can be a handy tool to visualize workflows clearly. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Lucidchart homepage. You can do this by logging into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top of the screen for a button labeled New. Clicking on this button will reveal a drop-down menu. Now, hover your mouse over the Lucidchart option in this menu. This action will display more options for creating new documents. Next, you'll see the option to create from template. Click this to open up a world of possibilities with various templates at your disposal. Templates can help kickstart your diagram by providing pre-designed structures that you can customize. However, for today's purposes, we're focusing on swim lanes, so we'll need to set our search towards that specific goal. In the template search bar, type in swim lane. This will filter through the available templates, showing you all the swim lane related ones. Lucidchart offers a variety of options tailored for different needs and industries. Carefully browse through and select the one that best fits your specific requirements. Once you find a swim lane template you're happy with, simply click on it to view a more detailed preview. After confirming your choice, you'll see a button labeled Use Template. Clicking this will open the template in your editor. Now you have a swim lane structure ready to be modified according to your needs. You might notice a sidebar on the left side of your screen. This is the Shapes and Use panel, where you can add more shapes to your diagram. Lucidchart provides standard shapes and flowchart specific shapes, enabling you to customize your diagram extensively. At this point, feel free to edit the swim lane to suit your project or process. You can move shapes around, change colors, label your swim lanes, and adjust the size of each lane. The key is to ensure your diagram conveys your intended workflow, making it comprehensive for anyone who views it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a swim lane diagram in Lucidchart, ready for you to edit and refine. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, simply save your work. You've now added an efficient tool to your diagramming skill set, helping to clarify complex processes and tasks with visual flair. Thanks for joining and happy diagramming.